Let's get you also the latest from Assam, where floods triggered by heavy rains continues to wreak havoc in the state. At least 85 people have died, and in fact, people living in 28 of the 33 districts in the state are in danger. Ashutosh Mishra travelled to Barpeta and gets you this first-hand account of the devastation brought about by these floods.
Assam is battling floods of epic proportions. 25 of the 33 districts in the state are underwater. The mighty Brahmaputra has ravaged thousands of villages. India Today went deep inside Barpeta district, one of the worst affected, and all we saw was devastation.
Any relief in the flood situation unlikely in Assam due to the heavy and non-stop rain. 25 districts have been affected and still it is raining. Here in Barpeta, there are many pockets, many villages which are submerged. So look at these images here. That says the nature's fury and its devastation. Many villages have gone completely submerged under the water. There is 4 to 5 feet water.
Water has entered Momina's home in a nearby village. She and her children have taken shelter in this temporary structure on the road.
कितने दिन से आप लोग यहाँ पर हैं?
पानी गरे सोकी तुम्हारी।
तो बच्चों को लेके डर लगता है यहाँ पर परवाह होती है। खाना पीना?
खाना खाना है।
With roads and streets submerged, these small boats are the only mode of transport. We meet Jainal, who takes us to his village on his boat.
In Assam, in the flood-affected areas, where every houses have their own boats. This is only way to commute from their houses to the nearby areas and the another villages.
Jainal has kept the gas cylinder, stove and food on the bed to shield them from the flood waters. And that's the situation in almost every home here, his neighbors tell us.
बहुत मुश्किल है इधर क्या करेगा
पहले पानी कितना था?
पहले इतना पानी है घर में ताका में नहीं है जगह है उधर रास्ता में बैठ के क्या करेगा
सड़क किनारे गए आप लोग
बैठ के
The Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has reviewed the floods in the state.
हमारी तरफ से अब तक हम लोगों ने जो भी कदम उठाया है जनता की सहयोग मिल रहा है और हम चाहते हैं कि जनता हमेशा सुरक्षित रहे और जनता ने आज जिस परिस्थितियों से गुजर रहा है आपको मालूम है बाढ़ भू कटाव के साथ साथ कोरोना वायरस का भी है.
While the centre has assured all possible help for the people of Assam, floods and the destruction that comes with it are an annual suffering. The punishing spell of rain has unleashed devastation on northeast India's biggest state.
Thousands have been displaced and taken shelter in the relief camps provided by Assam government. The heavy rains in parts of Assam continues while there is a flood across the state in 25 districts. The situation is very grim in the northern states. Reporting from Ground Zero with Sanjay Kumar, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.